Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Open Snapchat and head straight to Settings, then to your friends or blocked lists. Locate the bot by name, snap score, or odd message timestamps so you remove the correct account. Once identified, make a quick safety move, change your password, and enable two-factor authentication to prevent re-entry. This stops the bot from reconnecting while you act. Do not spend time searching chat threads. Focus on account details and protection. Then proceed to the next. You now block and report. Tap the bot's profile, hit block to cut off messages and snaps right away. After blocking, remove or delete it from your friends list so it loses any lingering access tied to friendship. Then use Snapchat's report feature, select spam or harassment, add concise details and screenshots, and submit. This flags the bot for review and helps Snapchat enforce a ban. Make sure to keep copies of evidence in case you need to follow up. Finish with cleanup. Clear the chat thread, cache, and any suspicious app permissions on your device to remove residual access. Next, inspect connected apps and revoke unknown OAuth tokens so third-party links can't recreate the bot. If the bot reappears, change your password again and enable an authenticator app, then contact Snapchat support with your report ID and screenshots. One key troubleshooting tip. If messages still arrive, factory resetting sessions on other devices often severs persistent connections. Use that only if simpler steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.